All right. So once we get to 4,000 watch hours, which I think we only have 100 watch hours, I'm going to do a giveaway for this bad boy. Let's see if it actually shows the whole thing. It's a Fallout Marine armor. I think it should be pretty fun, pretty easy to build and paint. I mean, yeah. So let's see how this guy did a picture of himself wearing it. Looks pretty badass. That could be you. Only need 4,000 watch hours. Fuck me. So that really legitimately means watch the whole bloody videos. If I make a 10-minute video, God forbid, please watch the whole thing. But yeah, so I'll print this bad boy up for a lucky winner, or maybe more. Once we get to that point. And depending on how much time I got, even let you pick the colors. Like, this guy did a really good job on his armor. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, that's a good picture. Oh, look at that. I think I might have a file for that somewhere. So I'm gonna put that in the giveaway too. Why not? Or something similar. A rifle of some torque that you could use. So only 3,990 more watch hours to go. So yay.